Welcome back to the channel, everybody. How's everybody been? It is MagZz here. We are back again with some more car content with Stefania, the Skoda. Today we're doing an installation video. It's a really boring installation video, but it's still an installation video. So stay tuned. We're going to look into the problem area and we're going to look through the fix. We're going to look at the fix first because we're going to look at the part. Everyone loves opening car parts, so we're going to go straight into that. Opening car parts. Let's go.
It's always a fun day when you got new car parts. Saying that, it's not really, well, it is new car parts, but it's nothing special. A couple of these, they are boot struts. One of my boot struts is rusty and it needs replacing. It's rusty around this area. These are the brand new ones, so we'll be installing these right now. Boot strut one, like kind of cracking there. It's like split a little bit, and you can see kind of, if you get close, it's quite difficult to see. Just there, it's bubbling, which means it's rusted just underneath. That's the left hand side, which is actually the better side. Right side, this is the worst side. As you can see, the bubbling is now started to split around the base here, and it's really split along here, cracked, and it's rusted quite a lot through there. This is the problem one, as you can see. It's only going to get worse, hence why I've got some new ones to replace. So we'll get through on installing those just now. So I'm going to get on to doing that now. We're going to try our best to remove the old, out with the old, in with the new. Get rid of the rusty, crusty one and put in the new one. So we're going to go back there and have a look what we need to do and then get on with it and get it done. Looks as simple as popping a flathead in that little groove there. It's not quite focusing in there. Popping the clip off and then popping it off itself, and then obviously popping on the new one. So what you want to do is find the groove, stick your flathead in, either till it pops out like that. As soon as it pops out like that, you can wiggle it free, just like that. When installing the new one, you got to push it up, line it up, and then just pop it in. It's actually slightly on an angle there. Line it up and then just pop it in. It'll make a click, and then it will use the new clips to hold it in place. It should be looking all good.
So that was it. The installation video. We got some boot struts in now, so hopefully we are absolutely not going to be worrying about those rusty boot struts. So make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch everyone in another video sometime soon. Peace.